In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Google Calendar. Whether you've got an outdated calendar you no longer need, or you're just trying to tidy up your Google Calendar interface, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. It's simple, so grab your device and let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to your Google Calendar. You can do this by typing Google Calendar into your browser's search bar or accessing it directly if you have it bookmarked. Once you're there, you should see your familiar calendar interface with all your events and schedules displayed. In the upper right hand corner of the screen, you'll find a small gear icon. This is the settings button. Click on it and a drop down menu will appear. From this menu, select settings. This action will take you to the settings page where you can manage all sorts of options related to your Google Calendar, including removing calendars you no longer need. Now look towards the left column under settings for my calendars. Here you'll see a list of all the calendars linked to your account. Scroll through the list to find the calendar you'd like to delete. Once you've spotted it, click on the name of the calendar. This will open a dedicated settings page for the specific calendar you've chosen. Next, you're going to locate the section labeled Remove Calendar. It's conveniently placed in this section, so it should be easy to find. Here, you'll notice an option that says Delete. Go ahead and click on that, but don't worry, we're not deleting anything just yet. Clicking delete doesn't immediately remove your calendar. Instead, Google wants to make sure that you truly intend to delete it. Therefore, a confirmation dialog box will pop up on your screen. This is Google's way of asking, are you absolutely certain? If you're sure about deleting the calendar, you should see an option that says permanently delete. Click on that and voila, your calendar is gone for good. And there you have it, you've successfully deleted a Google Calendar. Now your interface should look less cluttered and you can focus on the calendars that are most important to you. Before you go, just a quick note. Deleting a calendar is a permanent action. There's no going back once it's done, so make sure that's what you want before you hit that final button. Thanks for joining me in this quick tutorial. I hope this helps you keep your digital life well organized. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to check other helpful resources or leave your questions in the comments. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Have a great day.